Namaste, I am Pooja Sharma. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share some effective asanas for thyroid dysfunction. It is mainly a lifestyle disorder and can be easily rectified by reducing the stress level, doing some physical activity, improving your sleeping pattern, and of course, proper balanced diet. Yoga, asana, pranayam, and meditation is really helpful in that. So let's move to our first asana. Bhujangasana, also known as cobra pose. Lie down on your stomach. Keep your palms straight on the mat close to your chest. Breathe in and raise your body up, supported by the palms. Arc your neck and look upward gently. Hold it for a few seconds and then breathe out. Get into Shashankasana or rabbit pose for some rest, and you can repeat it 2-3 times. The next asana is Dhanurasana. Lie down on your stomach. Exhale and bend your knees. Bring your heels as close as you can. Reach back your hands and take hold of your ankles. Inhale and strongly lift your heels away from the floor and try to look upward. Relax, and you can repeat it 2-3 times if you want. The next asana is Matsyaasana or the fish pose. Gently sit in Padmasana. Lift the chest and head up by pushing the elbows into the ground. Now gently drop the head back and touch your toes. Relax for a few breaths. If you're not comfortable with Padmasana, then you can simplify it. Just straight your legs and repeat the same process. The next asana is Sarvangasana or the shoulder stand. Lie down comfortably on your back. Fold your legs. With the support of your hands, bring your legs all the way up and try to bring your chest close to your chin. Try to keep your legs straight in 90-degree angle. Hold for some time and then relax. The next asana is Halasana. Get into the Sarvangasana pose. Drop your left leg first and then right leg on the floor. Try to touch your toes on the ground and join your hands. Hold it for a few breaths and then relax. The next asana is Ustrasana or the camel pose. Sit comfortably on your knees. Rotate your right hand and try to touch your heels. Repeat the same with your left hand. Make sure you are comfortable. Look up and arc your neck. Hold the pose for some time. Relax and you can repeat it 2-3 times. And if you're not able to do any of these asanas, then here is a simple tip. The first thing you need to do in the morning is neck stretch. Take your right hand and stretch the neck towards right. Then change. Take the left hand and stretch the neck towards left. You should feel the good stretch. Look down and breathe in up, stretch. Breathe out, look down again and breathe in up, stretch. Look side as much as you can, then to the other side. Repeat for 5 to 10 times and then rotation. First you need to do clockwise and then anti-clock. Do these rotations at least 5 to 10 times. Pranayams are really effective, but the most effective pranayam is Ujjayi pranayam It's difficult to do it first go, but you can easily do it later. Do the Gyan Mudra, breathe in and try to produce this sound and try to emphasize on your neck.